Kamal Model Senior Secondary School, established with high academic standards. It is a truly premier institute. In its huge building, classroom and a well-equipped lab, libraries and all other facilities. There are many extra co-curricular activities and this is a rich Indian heritage. These qualities of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School make it a very special place for our future leaders. Kamal Model Senior Secondary School.
Rishikul International is a unique school for child development. The school has fully air-conditioned and colorful building. The ideology behind making of the school is to imbibe Oriental values coupled with modern scientific skills among children. It has many facilities: activity-based learning, art and craft and puppet making. Loving, caring and talented teachers. Splash pools and swings. Big auditorium. Confidence building activities. Games, dance and fun. We ensure your child's complete development in all aspects of the mind, heart, body and soul. Rishikul International, Preschool for Kids, Pocket 3, Sector 7, Dwarka.
Tiny Tulip, the exclusive world of a tiny tots who need home away from home. A unique school for a foundation and a learning school. Playway methods of fostering creative among students. It has many facilities like daycare center, CNG transport, loving, dedicated and talented teachers, nutritious midday meals, activity-based learning for all-round development of the child. We are unique as we consider each child to be unique. Tiny Tulip, Sector 4, Dwarka. Vandana Kindergarten, a place relished by kids and their parents. It is situated in Sector 10, Dwarka. It gives the promise to nurture and strengthen the tiny tots towards holistic development. It has many facilities here like activity-based learning, day boarding facility, CNG transport, perfect parenting, loving, caring and experienced teachers. We are unique as we consider each child to be unique. Vandana Kindergarten. Vandana International School strives to offer a quality program of studies consist with 21st century learning and teaching expectations. It is situated in Sector 10, Dwarka. It has beautiful building classrooms with projectors, well-equipped labs, excellent libraries and with bus facility. It provides quality education with international standard. Vandana International School, a high-tech school of repute where talent is nurtured. Vandana International School.